Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how you can take care of a daily driven black car. Today I have my Acura ZDX and it's a beautiful black vehicle, but the problem is it gets dirty pretty quick. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my ways of keeping my black car completely clean. I do this every single week and it does not take that much time. I'm literally done with everything within an hour. And as far as everything I use in this video, I will have it all linked down below in my description box. And without wasting any time, let's get started. The first step is just rinsing your car. So I have my pressure washer hooked up. So right after rinsing my car, I go after the wheels and I'm using this wheel cleaner as well as my brush. So I just spray a gradual amount all around the tire, and then with my brush I just scrub it all around. And right after scrubbing it, I wash it down, and as you guys see, there's a lot of filth just coming off of my tire. And then I'd repeat the same process, and using the two brushes I have, I clean all the way around and then rinse it off again. You should be fine after one application of the wheel cleaner, but in my case I haven't washed my vehicle in almost a month, so that's why my wheels are a bit more dirtier and I had to go the second time. After I finish cleaning all four wheels, I start with my foam cannon. Next I'm going to connect my foam cannon and it's filled up with warm water, and then I've added 2 ounces of Sud shampoo from Chemical Guys. The foam cannon and the soap do a really great job. It gives a very thick foam and it really cleans up the vehicle. Now it's time to get my soapy water. So I'm filling up my bucket. I have my grit guard on the bottom and I'm going to fill it up a bit with water and then put a little bit of this wash and wax. And then with my pressure washer, I'm going to allow the bucket to completely fill up. And with the pressure washer, as you guys are seeing, my soapy water is completely starting to foam up. It mixes up a lot easier and a lot quicker. And right after my bucket is about 75% full, I'm going to grab my wash mitt, completely soak it up, and start cleaning my car. And while doing this, especially on a black car, you want to go in straight lines. Do not go in circles. Do not go diagonal. Just either horizontal or vertical on all the panels. And just go back and forth a couple of times. And this soap is going to do a real great job of completely cleaning the surface with minimal effort. So I'm going to do that all around the car and then rinse it down real quick. And now since it's getting a little warmer and the sun is coming out, I'm going to take the car into my garage. And now it's time to just dry it up real quick, and then it's time to clean all the glass. And for the glass, I'm using this glass cleaner. It's my favorite product by far from Rain-X, and it does a real great job in cleaning up all the glass. And it also makes it rainproof, so when it's raining, the water just glides right off. So it's a really good 2-in-1, and all I do is spray a little bit onto my microfiber cloth and then wipe the glass down. And then flip over the towel and just dry it right off. And I'm going to repeat the same process all the way around. And as you guys are seeing, especially with my tinted windows, once I clean the glass, it just looks very sleek. And this is a step you do not want to skip when you're washing your car. You always want to make sure you clean the glass, because not only does it look better, but something you're going to be looking through while you're driving. And here are the end results. I spent less than an hour and just some basic effort, but by using some great products, I ended up getting a very clean, smooth, and sleek finish on my Acura ZDX, and I really hope you guys enjoyed my way of keeping my black vehicle clean and a glimpse of my Acura ZDX. And I would really appreciate you guys hitting the like and share button. And if you guys want to see a lot more how-to DIY repair upgrade videos on several of my vehicles, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, MrCarMAN, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.